Morning, my name is Shamal. I'm one of the co-founders of Dishoom, and we're here at Dishoom in King's Cross, and I'm here on the happy occasion. I'm really proud that we've passed the number of 15 million meals that we've donated to children via a couple of wonderful charities, Akshay Patra and Magic Breakfast. And today, to commemorate that, to mark that, we've got some kids from a couple of schools, Year 4 and Year 5, a couple of local schools from Islington and Camden, here with us having breakfast in our restaurant.
Hi, I'm Arun. I'm executive chef at Dishoom, and we loved and we enjoyed so much with the kids today. It was such a great fun, working with those kids, and we can see so many great chefs coming in future.
My name is Sophie Dixon. I am the deputy head teacher at Hugh Middleton Primary. I think a lot of our pupils don't have breakfast before they come to school. Cost of living crisis is parents who can't afford to provide breakfast, so they send their children into school not having had breakfast. And Magic Breakfast has been supplying for many years now the bagels that we are giving to pupils throughout our school.
So the origins of the partnership with these charities go back to, I think, 2015, when we were sitting around a table. It was during Ramadan, and the table was full of food, as you can imagine happens a lot at Dishoom. And we were thinking about what we needed to do, I think it was before Ramadan, what we needed to do, what we wanted to do for Ramadan. And our chef Naved, who's Muslim, explained that Ramadan is about depriving yourself. It's about simplicity and giving. It's about zakat. And he says, well, we could do an act of charity. So at that point, we decided to actually put in place where we would donate a meal to kids every time we served a meal in the restaurants during the period of Ramadan, during the holy month. And then later that year at Diwali, we made the whole thing permanent. And since then, since 2015, we've managed to feed about 15 million kids, which I'm really, really proud of.
In the year 2000, we began a simple program. Let's cook food and take them to the school and feed them in schools. The children have become very energetic, very enthusiastic in the classroom and outside the classroom.
Hey Lindsay, Hi. It's lovely to have you here.
Thank
you.
And
welcome to Dishoom. I think it's lovely to have all the kids here as well from the schools. And we're obviously reading in the headlines a lot about inflation and bills going up, and I suppose that means disposable incomes are going down, but that must be, I mean, the kids are on the rough end of that. I mean, the cost of living crisis is very, very tangible, all too real. How does that affect what you're doing?
Well, I think, the important thing is that a child or a young person, they're not to blame for anything. If they're showing up at school too hungry to learn, then they should be provided with a healthy, nutritious start to that day, and that's why Magic Breakfast exists. So we work in partnership with schools up and down the country. On a daily basis, we're feeding around 200,000 children and young people at the moment. But as you say, that number is sadly growing, and our costs are rising as well. So it's a really challenging time.
Of course they are, because food inflation is rampant.
Exactly.
I'm really pleased that we do this partnership. I think it's one of the very, very best things we do. And as we're serving food here in London and Birmingham and Edinburgh and Manchester, I think it's really, really wonderful that we also help kids to eat as well. And the problems of childhood hunger are huge and chronic, and sadly in this country they're even growing. But both of the charities, Akshay Patra in India does a lot of wonderful work, and especially to get girls into school who aren't otherwise being sent to school, and Magic Breakfast here, and it makes a huge difference when children get fed at breakfast their education and life opportunities. But it's really nice to be here. I'm really proud that we've hit the milestone of 15 million meals.